Okay, so this is this week. Just got back from the store. It's Saturday. Totally got off of going off on Mondays, but so one of our recipes is the white chicken chili enchiladas from Candid Mommy. And I'll put a link to her video in the bottom of this one. So I just put this in Word and just printed off what she had on the video. And I just added, sorry, it's really hot outside. I just added what I needed. So we got a pound of ground beef. I'll just show you. And I'll show you my recipes. I have a huge folder. I have this folder right here that I print off all of my recipes that I like to use. And so once a week we'll go through them, and these food and family magazines, we go through those and let the kids kind of pick, and my husband. So this week we're going to have skillet chicken and vegetables with Parmesan and possible cheeseburger pie, cheesy chicken and rice casserole, and chicken nacho bake, and pancakes, and the white chicken chili enchiladas. Let's see. Alright, so here's our groceries. So I just went to Walmart. We got, hold on, I got a big old pack of chicken. I don't know if I've said this before, but I get the biggest pack they have, and I cut each piece in half so it doubles the chicken that you have. And then I got a pound of hamburger, Great Northern beans, a can of salsa, 2 things of green chilies. I can't remember the recipe, so I couldn't remember if she used the small or the large ones, but I got 2. We got the mild green chili enchilada sauce, and some lunches for my son. This is his last week before school starts, so we got like ravioli and spaghetti meatballs. Each of Zach, Noah and Will got a Matchbox car, so that's Noah's. Cream of chicken, some ibuprofen for Noah, long grain rice, a loaf of bread. I got a pack of Louisiana iced tea. That's all we drink here. Some dogs will fix Kool-Aid, but we drink water and tea pretty much all the time. The Bisquick, there's the absolute best pancakes in the world, so we're going to have them in the morning. My husband's breakfast, honeycombs. I got the 6 servings of steamed, fresh, bird's eyes, frozen broccoli. If you have never tried the steamed fresh, that is the absolute best frozen vegetables I have ever had, and it's really good with Parmesan cheese. We've got California style, broccoli stir fry. I think I might have gotten the wrong one. Oh well. So I got, last week we got these 2, and they are just absolutely phenomenal. So we got the banana nut bread this time, and the blueberry, because we went through them like really quick. And 2 bags makes a dozen. So a bag of grapes, 1 onion, and a thing of butter. We're almost out. Sour cream, Monterey Jack, mild cheddar, V8 splash for Noah, some eggs, and some milk. And I do not know where my receipt is. It was $78 and some change. So that's what I got right there. Doesn't look like a lot. Kind of sucks. But yeah, so, and then I'll show you the groceries, our meals. Okay, tonight's Monday night, and we're having skillet chicken vegetables with Parmesan. And I'm making our blueberry muffins and banana nut muffins for breakfast. Okay, tonight we're having cheeseburger pie and broccoli. This is the steamed fresh. This is so good. I put lemon pepper seasoning and Parmesan cheese on my broccoli. So that's what we're having tonight. And we have a late night snack with some chocolate chip cookies. We finished up the pack of cookies that we got. And so here we are. They're really small, so it does look like it's 8 of them, but they're like the really small ones. Tonight we're having cheesy chicken rice casserole. This is from Food Network. Alright, so this is what we have for dinner. So you can see without a shadow. It's like salsa chicken. I just took chicken breasts, split them in half, and then I put cheddar cheese, salsa, sour cream, and then Monterey Jack cheese on top. And then I just baked it. There was 2 other pieces in here. And baked it until the chicken was done and the cheese melted, and it is fabulous. Okay, so tonight we have the white chicken chili enchiladas.